Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In the last video, we have discussed about the definition of factors based on multiplication. In this video, we are going to discuss about the definition of factors based on divisibility. Now, let us understand the definition of factors based on divisibility. The definition says that a factor of a number is any non-zero integer that divides the given number exactly, leaving no remainder. Got it? Let us try to understand the definition with an example. Is 2 a factor of 8? Let us check. Point number 1. Is 2 a non-zero integer? Yes, 2 is a non-zero integer. Point number 2. Does 2 divide 8 exactly? Let us check using long division. We know that 2 fours are 8. We get 0 as the remainder. So, you can say 2 divides 8 exactly. Got it? Finally, the conclusion. Since 2 is a non-zero integer and it divides 8 exactly, according to the definition of factors based on divisibility, 2 is a factor of 8. Got it? Here, you no need to do long division to check whether 2 divides 8 exactly or not. Instead, use divisibility rule for 2. It says that a number is exactly divisible by 2 if its unit digit is even. In this case, 8 is even. So, it is exactly divisible by 2. Got it? At the end, let us take a question. Why should the factor be a non-zero integer always? Let us try to understand with explanation. In the definition, it is stated that a factor of a number is any non-zero integer that divides the given number exactly, leaving no remainder. This means an integer p is said to be a factor of another number q only if p divides q exactly. That is, when you divide q by p, the remainder should be 0. Got it? Let us understand this concept with an example. Is 2 a factor of 8? Let us check. Here, you have to divide 8 by 2. That is, we know that 2 fours are 8. you got 0 as the remainder. So, according to the definition, you can say 2 is a factor of 8. Got it? Let us take another example. Is 0 a factor of 38 or any other non-zero integer? Let us check. Here you have to divide 38 by 0. Observe here, division by 0 is not allowed or undefined in mathematics. Meaning that you cannot divide any non-zero integer by 0. Got it? Therefore, 0 is not a factor of 38 because division by 0 is undefined in mathematics. Got it? Hence, in the definition, it is clearly said a factor must be a non-zero integer. Got it? Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel Basics to Master Maths. Thank you.